strictly holding its 8 which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Governor accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive place. You have to enjoy the surroundings. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book a hotel, provided in the description. For more details, go to the description. If you have Facebook or this hotel, then you can tell us if you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again.